Why so? You could have chosen a life out there with better AQI and a very different world.
So, like, the world was different then. I graduated almost 10 years ago. I'm going to be an alumni for 10 years next year. So, I went to college in 2013 to 2017. Right? So, think about what was happening in America at that time. So, Trump was just becoming president. The election campaign was going on. And there was protests all the time. So, we had Take Over Wall Street. We had the Not My President movement. And I went to NYU. NYU is probably one of the most liberal places you could be in this world, right? We had Bernie Sanders, when he was running for president, give his speech from my campus.
Wow.
At Washington Square Park. Of course, Hillary's stronghold was Wall Street, again, my campus. So things were really in turmoil at that point. And then think about what was happening in India at that time. Right, the BJP was coming in with a huge mandate. We had unbelievable public infrastructure in terms of Aadhaar, UPI. Jio had come into effect. And it felt like the country of growth. And it just seemed like there was going to be so much promise in India. And there was all these buzzwords at that time, like ease of doing business.
Correct.
You know, things like that. So India felt, and we were growing at about 8.5% at that time. And they were growing at like 2 or 3%. So these were like vital decision points. And AQI and things like that are like great assets. I think there's an emotional infrastructure to life as well.
And that is
right?
it.
That is your parents. That is the community around you that has built you. I think to be able to build with an emotional infrastructure and to be able to carry out your life, it's a much bigger asset than to have roads and railways, in my opinion. As a person, it depends on your moral standing. Like I had a huge feeling of responsibility to build for the country.
As I keep mentioning, you've got 800 million people below the age of 35. So technically, you've got the largest youth population in the world who is in India.
Yeah.
So when you're building for India, there are already so many consumers who are going to consume from India. So it only makes sense to come back to India, understand India per se, and then build for India.
Of course, build for India, from India, for Indians, by Indians, all of the